Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. What's wrong with society? There are many theories as to why American society is in the state that we see today. The chaos and dysfunction in our communities is a well thought out process. This process will systematically break down and destroy specific communities that are marked for elimination. There is no subtlety to this plan or covert design. It's basically out in the open. What can we do to change this plan? There is no common sense way that we are required to ask to treat one another. What could be good standards to have in our community? Behavior, rules, manners, respect. Should we build a common sense way of treating each other? Do we need to require everyone to have a sensible amount of tolerance for each other? We all are trying to make a living, and doing so, we sometimes might get into each other's way. But should we allow anyone to get upset just because we cross their path? What can make everyone understand we need to have a more forgiving outlook on people? We need to normalize that saying please, thank you, and excuse me are not a show of weakness. It's something that we need to actually work on in our society. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Taking a second to let someone pass by will not destroy your life, but cause undue harm. This type of humanity will only show that we can see and understand we all have important lives to live. Should we have billboard signs, TV ads, newspapers, and magazines run campaigns that promote humane treatment for each other? Should we demand that the government push the narrative that we need to treat each other with basic respect? Many scholars, historians, and celebrated authors will try to dazzle you with their sophisticated views of why American society is the way it is. The truth of the matter is that it was a design, way, and part of the capitalistic society's grand plan. There are a lot of businesses that make millions of dollars on our division and chaos. We must demand that everyone have a basic human tolerance for each other. We can't expect to live a comfortable life if we are always at each other's neck. That's why the powers that be want us to continue to do, be against one another. Let's look at some of the businesses that profit on society's chaos. Prison systems, correctional facilities, police department, court systems, news channels, and online podcasts. These entities make millions of dollars on the dysfunction of our communities. If we decide to change our behavior, they would go out of business or make substantially less money. They could no longer exploit us for their gain if we police ourselves. This is something that we as a community need to look at and try to change for the better within our own communities, so that we don't have to tolerate any more of this indecent treatment for one another. We should be able to get along and make this world a better place. That's just my thoughts on it. So hopefully you think the same way. Hello again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.